Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss about some question of the SSSB and KVS. So the first question is that which of the following is the part of layer 2 Ethernet frame? None of this. So now next question, which of the following describe how the software communication within itself? So interface design is used to communicate within itself. So now next is in a dash a parse tree is constructed using a stream of token. So parse tree is constructed. Okay, so here it is mentioned that the construction. Okay, so construction as a parse tree is taken as a input. So here two option work with tokens. Okay, first is lexical analysis and second is syntax analysis. Okay. So here the answer is syntax analysis, as it is take the token as an input. So in the first stage of compiler design, so first stage is lexical analysis, and then is syntax analysis, then semantic analysis, and next is intermediate code generator, and then is machine independent code optimizer, and then code generator, and at last we get the machine dependent code. So in lexical analyzer, the token string as an output, and in syntax analyzer we get that token string as an input. So for this reason, if it in this question, if it given like that, the output of the parse tree of with a token, then we can say that lexical analysis, but here the option is syntax analysis, at it as the token take as an input. So now next is a queue is a linear data structure where a new element is inserted. So in a queue work like a first in first out manner. Okay, so here the list of element we can insert in a queue, and in queue there have a tail. Okay, so in the tail part we can insert the new element, and in a stack we also can store the elements, but stack is a follow the LIFO method, that is first in last in first out. Okay, which element we entered last in the stack, that element are removed from the stack first. So in stack there we use head or top, but here the in a queue we use tail. Now next is which of the following is a filter command? Here we use awk as a filter command in Linux. So there are more than one filter command exists in Linux, like there have awk, grep, seed, spell, wc, all work as a filter command. A filter command takes input from one command and does some processing. Now next is implementing a full substructure using half substructure. Requires to implement full substructure we use two half substructure and one OR gate. Okay, so it's look like this. Here we use two half substructure and one OR gate to get this sum as a output and difference as output. Now next is see the question, read the carefully. Which of the following is true about below given statement? Register double constant. So it is the declaration. Okay, so register are faster than memory to access. So when we declare a variable by using register, it can directly use that register. For this reason, it is faster to access. Now next is, which of the following address number can be examined by router? Okay, we use IP address and MAC address. So router work in a networking layer. So in networking layer, we use router as a device that send some packets from one layer to another layer. So here we use IP address and MAC address. So the work of MAC address is that it is the MAC address is the MAC address is the address of the data link layer. Okay, that is work with frame, and IP address work within the networking layer. So our answer is IP address and MAC address both examined by the router. Which of the DML command? So we know that DML command is used for data manipulation language. To manipulate language, we use DML command. So here only by using only update command we can manipulate, or we can manipulate database with the select command also. So here rename and commit are not the DML. Rename is used in DDL. Okay, so that is data definition language, and DML is, we use DML in insert, delete or update, and DCL we use the DCL command to control the language. So the example of DCL command is grant and revoke, and in TCL command, example of TCL command is commit and save point. So this is very important question. What is the application of digital signature? So we use digital signature to authenticate the user, the to know that the to maintain the integrity and and the consistency of the data. So we use digital signature as a authentication. Okay, so that no one can so that no one no unauthorized access the data. So the next question is, which is not one of the type of prototype in prototyping model. So diagonal is not the part of the prototype model. Okay, horizontal and vertical and domain is the part of the prototyping model. So now, which is the highest level of the abstraction of data flow diagram? So level 0 is the highest abstraction in DFT to data flow diagram is as level 0 is the highest level. So now next is, which of the following clause cannot be used in SQL subquery? Okay, we in subquery we cannot use order by. Okay, but we use group by and mapping in the subquery. So now next is, name the final version of the Internet Explorer web browser by Microsoft. So IE 111 is the final version. Okay. So which of the following virus among the given up below? So keylogger is the virus of the all of the option. Okay. Ebola is not related with the computer virus, so that is original virus that affecting the people. Rhinovirus is also the common cold viruses, and Promovirus is the plant virus. So keylogger is a program that logs the keystrokes, and the danger of having a keylogger virus on your computer is that it can very easily keep track of every single keyword you enter. So that is the very dangerous for our computer, because in we use password as a authentication. If the keylogger are in your computer, so then in your system, then keylogger can easily track the password record. So now next is the return address of from the interrupt service routine is stored in program stack. Okay, so interrupt is used to inform the CPU that 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 the user need some IO operation. Okay, so for this reason, these interrupt are called. So pro- processor stack is maintained this interrupt routine. Which are the following electronic mail? Okay, so PGP and MIME are used as a security service. Okay, so SMTP is a simple mail transfer protocol, so it is not work in security, but MIME and PGP work in a security. So PGP is a pretty good privacy, and full form of MIME is multiple internet mail. Okay, security is the secure form of it provides the security. A virtual local area network is configured by software. So now next is which of the following data structure is used BFS? We use Q. Now next is in asymmetric cipher, the receiver is the private key. Okay, we use private key in asymmetric key. So now next is in HTML, largest heading is H1. So they are in HTML, they have 6 heading. Okay, which of the sorting algorithm is most efficient for sorting the large array? So that is merge sort, because the in merge sort the time complexity is very less, that is O n log n. Unix is a single is a multi-user time sharing operating system. Which of the following contain the data dictionary? Okay, all of these are contain the data dictionary: database schema, design decision, user standard, application program.